Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your home address in the Cityria Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the star button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, it's the My Places section. So if you want to set a home address, just click on the home button. And you can search your address, or you can also find it. This is the Ireland map, by the way. So if you found your street, then just place that little green icon and click on the save button, and your home address is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.